Let me tell you a small story of Mahabharata, our history, a story of our Krishna. So what is this story about? It is the story of Shishupal and Krishna. So let me tell you this. What happens here? Yudhishthir is organizing a yagya in Indraprasth and he has invited all the kings to this yagya. And there comes the king Shishupala. Also, obviously, if Yudhishthir is doing a yagya, then Krishna is invited. Krishna is there. There is a previous relationship between Krishna and Shishupala. Krishna is uncle of Shishupal. So, it is a history that Krishna has granted a boon to Shishupal's mother that he will forgive Shishupal's 100 mistakes. So now what happens? That in that yagya, Shishupal meets Krishna, and every time he meets Krishna, he is like burning with fire. So he comes to Krishna and he starts insulting him. So Krishna is like most powerful there and he is sitting in front of everyone. Shishupal starts insulting him. And he tells Krishna like, you are a thief, you have stole all the makhan from your village, and you have spent times with so many girls and lot of things. He just goes and insulting one by one to Krishna, and Krishna is smiling and silently listening to Shishupal. So everyone like Yudhishthir and Arjuna and everyone is ready to kill Shishupal. But Krishna is silently sitting and listening until Shishupal reaches the 100th insult. When he crosses that limit, when he reaches that 100th insult to Krishna, then Krishna invites his Sudarshan and cuts his head. So the Shishupal meets his end. What is the meaning of telling you this story? That I want you to learn what Krishna is, how powerful he is. With that first insult, he could cut Shishupal's head. He could do anything. He doesn't have to listen to all those 100 things that Shishupal had to insult him. But he listened with patience, with conviction, with the hope that Shishupal will stop and realize his mistake. He had the power to cut his head with the first insult, but he waited till 100. That is what the patience that Krishna teaches us. So, just saying Krishna Krishna will mean a lot of things, but learning these things from Krishna will change your life. You must learn the patience from Krishna. This story tells us how patient Krishna was. Radhe Radhe.